You've asked Claude for an image, and it politely refused or handed you code instead. It's not being difficult, and it's not a missing feature. Claude physically cannot draw, and once you know why, you'll stop wasting prompts on it. So here's the honest answer: why it can't, what it can actually do with visuals, which is more than you think, and exactly what to use instead tonight. No hype, no waiting for a feature that isn't coming. Here's the actual reason, and it's not a policy or a safety rule. Claude is a language model. It predicts text, words, and code. Making a picture from a sentence needs a completely different kind of model, called a diffusion model. It doesn't write, it starts with visual noise and denoises it into an image. Step by step, those are two different architectures, two different brains. Anthropic never built the second one, and that's a choice, not an oversight. Anthropic pointed Claude at text reasoning, production coding, and agents, not at art. But here's the part almost nobody tells you. Claude is not visually useless. It can write SVG real, scalable vector graphics, so it will happily build you diagrams, flowcharts, icons, and charts in code. It can build interactive visualizations in artifacts that you can actually click, and its vision is genuinely excellent. Hand it a screenshot, a chart, a photo, a design, and it will read it and reason about it better than most tools. So, what do you actually use to make a picture? Use a model built for it. Google's Gemini image model is the one I use for the thumbnails on this channel. Midjourney and OpenAI's image models are the other obvious picks. And if you want it inside Claude, you connect an image model like Flux or Stable Diffusion through MCP, and Claude will call it for you. And honestly, the combo is better than one tool that does both badly. Let each model do the thing it's actually built for. Here's the workflow that works. Ask Claude to write the image prompt. It's a language model. That's literally its job, and it writes better prompts than you do. Then paste that prompt into the image model. Then bring the picture back to Claude and ask it what's wrong with it. Words, picture, critique. That loop is genuinely good. Is native image generation coming? Be careful here. Anthropic has not announced it. There were reports in early 2026 that they were exploring it, and that is all that is. So do not sit around waiting for it, and do not believe a video that tells you it's already here. So stop asking Claude to draw. Ask it to write the prompt, and let a real image model draw. If the honest version of this stuff is what you're after, subscribe. Tech made simple, software made clear, no hype, and no wasted money. See you in the next one.